Namaste everyone. In this video we will discuss a simple date formula and another formula text which is also helpful in calculating the dates. Now let us see. For instance, I want to get my date of birth, which is 17 July 1988. So let me calculate using date formula. Tab. It is asking me year. I will press 1988. Then month. It was July, so I will press 7. And day was 17th. So now I will execute. You can see it is providing me the answer in this format: month first, then days, then years. Okay, but guys, what if I could want to get the answer in the form of days, months and years? I will use this another formula, text. Okay, this is the value. I can select this one. Now for format, I will select this format, guys. Days. For days I will press double D, and then month I will press double M, and last I will press Y 4 times, 1 2 3 4, so that I will get the years in 4 digits. So now you can close the braces and you can see the answer, guys. 17 July 1988 in Asian format. Okay, now let us see these other forms also. Suppose from here I want to calculate days. Okay, so now I will use text formula. Fine, this is the value and I want to get days, so I will press double D only and I will simply close the braces. You can see I got 17. Similarly, I could be getting it for month also. Select same value, then you can double M, close it. So you got the answer 07. And for years, similarly, text, value this one again, and then years, Y. Fine. Sorry, is. Now you can see, guys, how text formula also help in calculating the different aspects of the dates. Now suppose, guys, I want to know which day was, which day of the week it was when I was born. So I could be utilizing the same text formula for that. And let us select this one. Anyone you can select, guys. So I can select this one. And I want to know the day at which I was born. So I can either press triple D, it will give me the answer in short form, or I can press 4 Ds to get the full answer. So actually, sorry, I don't need to select this formula, this one. I will select this one, sorry. Text, I need to select this text because it is the original date which I have to fill here. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. Now, here I will press D and D 4 times. It will provide me the exact date. At Sunday I was born. So I want to know the name of month. Actually it was July. So you can know by same text formula. Select this one. So for either I can press MM, but it will provide me 07 again. If I could press it 4 times, it will give me the name of complete month. You can see it is July. And similarly, for year, it is same. Okay, it is same for the year. So in this way, these formulas helps a lot in knowing the different aspects of a given date. Now we can discuss one more formula here along with them, that is today. I want to know the date today. Okay, so for that I will use today. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, I will use this today formula with empty braces. It will provide me the date for today. Okay, it is actually 2 August to September 2020. But whenever you will open your Excel file again, guys, after closing your PC again and again, then this date you will get updated. You will always get this updated date here. At whatever date you open, it will provide you the current date, this formula, today. Fine. I want to know this today in another format, which is this one, that is day, month and year. So I can repeat the same process, equal to text. In this text, I can nest this today formula, and then I want the format like dd/mm/yy and y. Okay. Now you can see, guys, it is 2 September 2020, which is the date today I am recording this video. I hope you guys understood this video, the concept of the date formula. And if you guys are liking my videos, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. Appreciate me with a thumbs up. Thank you.